What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the driver mod. This is my 2024 Mustang GT. We're going to show you how to reset the oil life on it. We just got the first oil change done. We are just over 600 miles. You're just going to power the car on. The car could also be running, but at least get the power on. As you can see right there, we're at 683 miles now. I got it changed earlier today. Did some miles, and this is one of the issues I've run into with the 2024s is this center screen taking a bit longer to start up than, as you saw, the infotainment. But anyway, if we were at the home screen, you're simply going to go to Settings, Vehicle, and then this screen does lag quite a bit. You're going to scroll down this menu and you're going to see oil life, and it says press and hold to reset. Hold it till you see reset complete pop up. There you see it, 100%. Now I believe this is the same for the premiums. I cannot verify that. This is a base GT, but from what I've seen is the screens, you still have two screens in the premium. It's just there's a trim piece that makes it look like it's one big screen. But yeah, there you go. That's how you reset the oil life on a 2024 Mustang. Thanks for watching. Comment down below if this helped you out. Subscribe on your way out. We got tons of 2024 Mustang content coming for you. Appreciate you stopping by. We'll see you on the next one.